Hello friend, Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set expiry date for any user inside the Linux machine. Okay, so if you are using a Linux machine, you can set expiry date. First of all, I am going to add a user for demonstration. Suppose user add Satish and I set a password for this user Satish using passwd command. Suppose password 123 123, repeat it. Now, if you want to check the expiry information of any user, you can use simply change -l and the name of the user. And what you see? You can see the account expire never. So here you can see the account expire never. But if you want to set expiry date, suppose I want to set expiry date, so I will use change -e and the expiry date here. Suppose 10 December 2025. It means this user will expire on 10th December 2025 and the name of the user. Okay, so name of the user. And now if you see the information, what you see here, you see the account expiry date for this user is 10th December 10 2025. So in this way you can set expiry date for user. Suppose you don't want this user to expire. Okay, so what you can set, you can set change -e and you can type here never. Okay, so it means this user will never expire. Now you can check the output again and you can see account expire never. So in this way you can set expiry date for any user. And if you want to see the password status, you can simply type passwd -s and the name of the user and you can see the password status of the user. I hope this will help you. So thank you for watching.